Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Help Desk. First, let's get you started. Begin by logging into your Zoho Desk portal using your unique credentials. Once inside, you'll find an intuitive dashboard providing a quick overview of your support operations, including the number of open tickets and agent availability. Next, configure your essential support channels. You can integrate email, phone, and even social media platforms to ensure all customer inquiries are captured efficiently. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Now, let's dive into managing customer tickets effectively. All incoming inquiries from your configured channels appear in a centralized view, allowing you to easily prioritize them. You can quickly assign tickets to the most suitable agent or an entire support team, ensuring prompt resolution. Leverage ticket statuses like open, pending, or closed, along with custom tags, to streamline your workflow. This helps maintain clarity and ensures no customer request is overlooked, improving response times by up to 20%. To boost efficiency, Zoho Help Desk offers powerful automation and customization features. You can set up automation rules to handle repetitive tasks, such as auto-assigning tickets or sending automated responses, saving your team valuable time. Customize your help desk by creating unique fields and layouts that perfectly match your business processes. Furthermore, build a comprehensive knowledge base and a customer self-service portal, empowering customers to find answers independently, potentially reducing ticket volume by 30%. Finally, understanding your performance is crucial for continuous improvement. Zoho Help Desk provides robust reporting and analytics tools. Generate detailed reports on agent productivity, ticket resolution times, and overall customer satisfaction scores. Monitor key metrics such as average first response time, which ideally should be under 1 hour, and customer satisfaction ratings, aiming for 90% or higher. Use these valuable insights to refine your support strategy, identify areas for improvement, and consistently deliver exceptional customer service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.